Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral Little Caesars Crazy Puffs, so let's get started with the video. First, get some pizza dough. I got my pizza dough from Publix. Then grease your hands with olive oil. Next, take a piece of the pizza dough and then roll it up into a ball. Set the ball of dough to the side and then repeat this process until you've made your desired amount. Once you finish making your balls of dough, set them to the side. Next, we're going to make some garlic butter. In a bowl, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. Then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of parsley, a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Then mix everything together until well combined. Next, use the garlic butter to grease a muffin pan. Next, place each dough ball in the pan. Once you've added the dough balls, cover the pan in plastic wrap. Then let the dough rise in a warm area for 30 minutes to an hour or until it has doubled in size. Once the dough has doubled in size, remove the plastic wrap. Then grease a shot glass with olive oil. Next, use the shot glass to punch down the center of the dough. Now press up and around the edges of the dough to create a cup shape. Once you have finished shaping all of the dough, you can add the filling. First, add some shredded mozzarella cheese, then add around 1 to 2 teaspoons of marinara sauce, a slice of pepperoni, and more shredded mozzarella cheese. Repeat this process for each cup. When you're finished, place the Crazy Puffs in the oven at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Once the Crazy Puffs have finished baking in the oven, brush the top of the puffs with the garlic butter we made before. Next, sprinkle some parsley and oregano on top and you are all finished. Now all you have to do is plate it up. And this is the finished result. These crazy puffs went viral, so I just had to make them, and they turned out great. They're delicious and super easy to make. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!